welcome back, Pooh. So today I'm showing y'all how I got this beautiful ginger color. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Hey y'all, so I have Cajun Spice and Orange Blaze. I chose two different oranges that give me some depth and dimension, and I used 30 and 40 volume developer. So I have lighter blondes and like a couple browns, if that makes sense. So I have a whole different variety in the hair, and so it'll come out brighter. So right now you'll see I'm just applying the bleach all over. So I think I did 40 volume at the bottom and like 30 at the top. And I'm not doing it any particular way. I should have did it more neatly. And make sure y'all open the window when y'all doing this, because this mess stinks. Oh my goodness. And wear gloves. You'll see I don't have any on, but I needed some. So just be very careful and mindful, because I did end up getting some of this in my face. I'm gonna be honest, I did this real sloppy like. So you'll see every time I went in with one color in a zigzag motion, I went in with the same color in the opposite way, in the same zigzag motion to get the color. And then I'd rub it down all together. And like you can actually see that the hair came out exactly how I pictured. Like every time you see orange, you see ginger as well. And that's what I really like the best. So this is like a little recap of how all the bleach turned out before I started dyeing it. So I should put this one first, but it came out really good. Like it's kind of like I got the ginger color I wanted without the dye yet, which is awesome. So I know I would definitely try this again with just the bleach and see how well it does. So I'm very familiar with dyeing and bleaching hair. Solid colors. This is the first time I used two different colors to get a solid color. So when you're doing that, make sure you do a paper test and swatch it to see how the two colors is going to mix together. Like that's what I did, and I like what I seen. I guess like the orange blaze is a real bright orange, and the ginger is more dull. So I thought if I mix these two together, it's just give me that bright and popping color that I'm looking for, which it did. And if it didn't, I still would have been cool with it. So you just gotta be mindful and pay attention and see like what you really want the color to come out to be. And this is the conclusion of my video. Make sure, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Side note, my review on this hair and who's it by will be in the comments in the next couple of weeks when I post that video. So don't think your girl holding out on you either.